Today we're going to try to remove this dent using a Steck easy pull pliers and a pogo stick. We'll be pulling back on the pogo stick, and this pliers, the edge is clamped right on the body line. So hopefully we can pull right here and knock this crown down. And we're not going to pull too hard because we don't want to bend the hinges. And we're going to move the clamp. I'm going to try to keep that body line nice and straight. I'm holding it down at the correct angle while I'm putting my weight on the pogo stick. Then we'll move the pliers again. And we'll straighten up this edge. I think we'll weld a couple studs, maybe right in here, here, pull from there, straighten up the underside, grind it, and fill it. Underneath, we pinched the seam back together, ground a few areas clean, and MIG welded it. Before we finish up the outside, we'll take care of a few dings underneath. After pulling, we can grind the area clean and fill it. And we can just pull these out by hand. They're not that severe. And again, I'm pulling on the low spot, hitting the highs. After removing the studs and grinding it clean with a 36 grit fiber resin disc at a slow speed, we're ready for filler. I hope you enjoyed this video on pulling serious dents and saving panels. If you did, and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.